Python has become one of the most widely used programming languages in the world, and with good reason. Its versatility and ease of use have made it the go-to choice for many developers, data scientists, and software engineers. But beyond its technical capabilities, Python is also a great tool for career advancement. In this video, we're going to explore the many job opportunities that exist for Python developers. We'll look at the industries and sectors where Python is most in demand, and we'll discuss the specific skills and knowledge you'll need to succeed in these fields. First, let's talk about the industries where Python is most prevalent. One of the most popular applications of Python is in data science and machine learning. Python's powerful libraries and tools make it the ideal language for data analysis and modeling, and as such, it's widely used in finance, healthcare, and other industries that rely on data-driven decision-making. But Python is also heavily used in software development, web development, and automation. Its simplicity and versatility make it an excellent choice for building web applications, APIs, and even games. Additionally, Python's popularity in automation has led to its widespread use in industries such as manufacturing, logistics, and even space exploration. So what skills do you need to be successful as a Python developer? First and foremost, you'll need a strong foundation in programming concepts such as data types, functions, and algorithms. You'll also need to have a good understanding of Python's syntax and its many libraries and frameworks. In addition to technical skills, Python developers also need strong problem-solving and communication skills. Many Python development roles require you to work as part of a team, so being able to collaborate effectively is essential. Additionally, because Python is used in so many different industries and applications, being able to communicate technical concepts to non-technical stakeholders is an important skill to have. Finally, let's talk about the job market for Python developers. According to recent data, Python is one of the fastest-growing programming languages in the world, and demand for Python developers is only increasing. As we mentioned earlier, Python is used in a wide variety of industries and applications, which means that there are many different types of roles available. Some of the most common Python development roles include software developer, data scientist, machine learning engineer, web developer, and automation engineer. Additionally, many companies are now looking for Python developers with specific skills and knowledge in areas such as artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, and cloud computing. In conclusion, Python is a powerful and versatile programming language that offers many job opportunities across a wide range of industries and applications. If you're interested in pursuing a career as a Python developer, be sure to build a strong foundation in programming concepts and Python syntax and libraries, and focus on developing strong problem-solving and communication skills. With the right combination of skills and knowledge, you'll be well positioned to succeed in this exciting and rapidly growing field. Thank you for watching this video on Python job opportunities. If you found this content helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos on programming, technology, and career development. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest uploads. Thank you again, and we hope to see you in the next video.